3 effective ways para makaiwas sa scammers. Una, mag-actual visit sa clinic or shop. Kung nga possible, puntahan mismo ang clinic or shop. Mas makikita mo kung legit talaga yung business at kung may actual facility sila. Kung malayo at mas preferred mo ang home service, mag-background check sa kanilang social media accounts or website. Check their reviews, comments, previous posts, and patient testimonials. Tingnan kung consistent ang kanilang online presence. Pangalawa, tumawag at mag-message lamang sa official contact details. Make sure na ang kausap mo ay official personnel at gumagamit ng contact number or account na nakapost mismo sa kanilang official social media accounts. And most importantly, kahit gaano kaganda ang offer, and if it's too good to be true, huwag agad magbigay ng pera. Before sending any payment, verify everything first. Mas safe kung ang payment ay i-deposit sa legitimate company bank account na nakapangalan mismo sa registered company rather than sending money to a personal bank account. And remember, due diligence mo rin bilang patient na mag-check at mag-verify. Research the company. Maging matalino. Check their credentials, verify the personnel and contact details. Check the bank account name. Visit if you possibly can. Because when it comes to your prosthetic leg, your safety and your money both matter. OrthoWorks PH. Walk with confidence.